Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you a short moral story. Story name is The Little Bird and Kind Boy. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Ali. He loved to play in a garden every afternoon. One day, while running around, Ali saw a little bird lying on the ground. The bird's wings were hurt and it couldn't fly. At first, Ali was scared. He thought, what if it bites me? But then he remembered his teacher always said, kindness is the best gift you can give. So, Ali gently picked up the little bird, placed it in a small box with soft cloth. Every day, he gave bird water and a few grains of rice. Slowly, the bird's wings healed. One morning, the bird chirped happily and fluttered its wings. It was ready to fly. Again, Ali opened the box in the garden and the bird flew up into the sky. But before flying away, it circled around Ali as if to say thank you. From that day on, whenever Ali saw someone in need, whether a person or an animal, he always tried to help because he had learned that kindness makes the world brighter. So the moral of the story is kindness, even in a small actions, can heal hearts and bring happiness to others and to ourselves. So friends, take care, Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to help someone.